Example 4. Find f-x of f of x equals c, where c is a constant, using first principles. Solution. Since this is a constant function, the graph of the function is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. Using first principles, we can observe that f of x plus h equals c and f of x equals c. Substituting the values, we get, simplifying, we get, therefore, f-x equals 0 over h equals 0. H not equals 0.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.